learning classes. Children, we have successfully completed the poem, right? Have you learned all this poem? Yes, children, learn to sing this poem. Few of you sent me a voice records of singing the poem with the actions. But still have not sent, please all of you sent. Okay. Now, after the lesson or a poem completion, there will be textbook activity. Means in your textbook, after the poem or the lesson, there will be some fill in the blanks, true or false, choose the correct answers. Okay. Like that all the activities will be there, no? Those all we will give you under the headline textbook activities. Okay children. Now let us start our textbook activity of the first poem, The Star. Okay. Now open your textbook children, page number 11. Okay. There is a, in the red box, what did you learn? Okay. First main in that, tick right the correct option to complete the following sentences. Okay. In that you have, they have given one sentence. For that 3 options they have given. In that, which is the right option, you have to put tick mark. Okay. See how now. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Next line what it is. First option. How they wonder what you are. Second option. How I wonder what you are. Third option. How I want to see who you are. Okay. See children now. In these 3, which is the right? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Right? Second option. Put the tick mark in the box in front of the second one. Understood children? Okay. Have you finished? Yes. Now move on to the second one. B. For you never shut your eye. For you never shut your eye. Till the moon is in the sky. Till the sun is in the sky. Till the star is in the sky. Which is the right one children? Till the sun is in the sky. Isn't it? Till the sun is in the sky. Again second option is right. Put the tick mark in the box. Okay. Are you understanding children? Now come to the C. Then the traveler in the dark thanks you for the huge spark. Bada spark irtalle? Illa. Thanks you for your small park. Small park anta idena adu poem alli? No. Thanks you for your tiny spark. Isn't it children? It's a tiny spark. Put the tick mark for the third option. Understood? Yes. Now, have you completed the first main, all of you? Now, we shall move on to the second main. Fill in the blanks with the correct words given in the box below. Okay. Shines, wonder, peep, dark, blue. In the box they have given these words. Okay. So you have to fill which is the correct word for the each. Fill in the blanks. Understood children? Yes. First one. How I dash what you are. How I wonder what you are. Right? So wonder. Write the wonder spelling children. W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder. Okay. Come to the second one. B. When he nothing shines upon. Right? So what is the word? Shines. S. Write the spelling. S-H-I-N-E-S. S-H-I-N-E-S. Shines. Okay. When he nothing shines upon. Yes children. Now come to the third one. In the dark dash sky you keep. In the dark blue sky. What sky? Blue sky. So write the spelling B-L-U-E. Blue. Have you completed all three? Come to the page number 12. Turn the page. Fourth one, D. And often through my curtains peep. Peep. P-E-E-P. Peep. P-E-E-P. Peep. Okay, children, are you writing? Then the last one. Lies the traveler in the dark. D-A-R-K. Dark. Okay. So lies the traveler in the dark. Okay. Now, have you completed this second main? Fill in the blanks. Very good. Now let's move on to the third main. Answer the following questions. Okay. Yes, children, these question answers answer only orally. Okay. When we will be giving you the notes, in that we will give question and answers. Okay. Yes. First one. Why does the traveler like the star? Why the traveler likes the star? Yes, the star gives him a tiny spark. So, traveler likes the star. Okay, the traveler likes the star because star gives them light. Isn't it? Yes. When does the star go to sleep? Yes, children, when does the star goes to sleep? Very good. Star goes to sleep when sun is in the sky. When the sun is in the sky, they go to sleep. Isn't it? Yes. Children, now there is one more activity. What do you think? Here, see, imagine. You have to think, you have to imagine. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನೀವೇ ಭಾವಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯು ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ನೈಟ್. ಒಂದು ರಾತ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ದ ನೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ. ನೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೂಲ್, ತಣ್ಣಗಿದೆ. ದೆನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ, ನೋ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ. ದ ಸ್ಕೈ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ and the stars are shining bright. Sky is also clear, not cloudy. Okay, stars are brightening. Okay, so how do you feel, children, at that time? ನೀವು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯಾರು ಇರಲ್ಲ, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಳಿತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಸ್ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಫೀಲ್? ಹೇಗನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಎಸ್. Write two sentences on what would you feel, what you would feel when you look up at the stars in the sky. At that time, how do you feel? I feel very happy. I will start to count the stars. Okay, how many stars are there? And I will look at the sky and I will draw figure by joining stars. Are you doing this all? Yes, you have to do that, children. You will be very exciting to do all those. Okay, so you should be look at the sky sometimes. You have to talk with the moon and you have to draw like this pictures by joining the stars and counting the stars. You cannot count, children. Why? Because there are many lakh, thousand lakh together stars in the sky. But simply, just for fun, you can count. Okay? Yes. Now, there is one more activity, children. What's the good word? What's the good word? There are some missing letters you have to write. Okay? Fill in the blanks with the missing letters to complete the word from the poem. You already know all these words in the poem. Okay, children? So, there are some letters are missing. So, those missing letters you have to fill.
Okay, first one, twinkle. Write the word twinkle it is. Missing letters T-W-I-N-K-L-E. Twinkle. Write W and K. Okay, for the second one, it is star. S-T-A-R. Star. You have to fill T. Okay, children? Yes, come to the third one. Diamond. Okay, spelling D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond. Okay, you have to fill for first one I, for second one M. Okay, diamond. Fourth one H dash G dash is there. Okay, H I G H, high. H I G H, high. Okay children. Then fifth one wonder, WONDER, wonder. Children, WONDER, wonder. Okay, then come to the next one F, blazing. It is blazing, BLAZING, blazing. Okay, BLAZING, blazing. Okay, have you filled? Next, come, next one. It is blue, 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 blue. Okay, then the next one, it is spark, 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 spark. Okay, let's come to the next one. NIGHT, 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 night. Then the last one traveler, TRAVELLER, traveler, TRAVELLER, traveler. Yes children, complete this activity with the correct spellings. Okay.
Now, next mean the page number 13. What's the grammar behind it? This is the grammar children. This grammar I will be giving in the grammar video after this video. Okay. So this will not be given in this video. Okay. Then let us move on to the what would you add? Diamonds are precious stones. Find out the names and colors of other precious stones. Okay children, you go to this website. Here is a website link. Okay, so go to this link. You can find different stones, and for that different names are there, different color of the stones also there. Okay, diamond, you already know it is very precious, valuable stone. You know children, it is very hard to break and it is very brighting stone. Okay, diamond. Okay, like that there are many other stones. You collect the names and colors. Okay, will you do this activity? Very good. Next, project. For you, there is one project children. For this, based on this poem. For this poem, take it, draw and cut the stars from the decorative paper. Write your name in the star. Put up the star on your class notice board. Tell the class which is special quality of yours makes you a star. Yes children, see, for you all we will be giving you appreciation. Star. If you write very nicely, we will put star, right? And if you sing very nicely, we will give 2 stars, 3 stars. Isn't it children? Yes. Like that, you should become like a stars. You should get more stars. Okay? You will do this activity. Take a drawing sheet and make a star. You have to decorate the star with a shining or stones or beads. Okay? Or flowers. Okay? Anything you can take and decorate the star. Write down your name. Okay, and send me photocopy. I will be giving you the stars as appreciation. Okay children? Yes. With this, we have completed all the activities related to this poem. Okay? Practice all this. It is helpful for your text test. Okay? So, keep practicing all this every day. It will be helpful for you to prepare for the test. Okay? Thank you children. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.